In this video, we listed the 20 best genius gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Bitvee Toothbrush Cleaner and Holder. The Bitvee Toothbrush Cleaner and Toothbrush Holder is an innovative bathroom accessory designed to maintain the hygiene of your toothbrush while offering convenience and advanced features. This rechargeable, wall-mounted device offers cleaning and air-drying functions to ensure your toothbrush remains free of germs and bacteria. It comes with an LED smart screen that provides useful information and adds a modern touch to your bathroom decor. Ideal for maintaining a clean, organized, and sanitary environment, the Bitvee Toothbrush Cleaner not only holds your toothbrush in place but also actively dries it with an efficient air-drying system. Its compact design helps save space, and the wall mount feature keeps it easily accessible yet neatly out of the way. With its rechargeable functionality, the Bitvee is a practical and eco-friendly solution to toothbrush storage, making it a valuable addition to any bathroom. Product 2. Product name: Utopia Home 3-Pack Tea Bag Organizer. The Utopia Home 3-Pack Tea Bag Organizer is a practical and stylish storage solution designed for organizing tea bags and other small kitchen essentials. This stackable tea bag storage organizer comes with a clear lid, allowing for easy visibility while keeping contents protected from dust and moisture. Each organizer is made from durable, BPA-free plastic, making it both sturdy and safe for food storage. With multiple compartments, this organizer can neatly arrange a variety of tea flavors, ensuring an efficient and clutter-free kitchen. Beyond tea storage, it serves as a multifunctional kitchen and home organizer, suitable for storing coffee pods, spices, condiments, or even small office or craft supplies. Its stackable design maximizes space, making it ideal for countertops, pantries, or cabinets. Product 3. Product name: VTOP for Pack Large Stackable Storage Drawers. The VTOP for Pack Large Stackable Storage Drawers is a versatile and space-efficient organizing solution designed for various household storage needs. These acrylic plastic bins are ideal for bathroom closets, undersink spaces, kitchen cabinets, pantries, makeup storage, and medicine organization. Their stackable design allows for better utilization of vertical space, making them perfect for users who need an organized and clutter-free home. Additionally, these drawers align with your preference for practical and well-structured storage solutions, similar to your interest in stainless steel cat litter boxes with features like easy cleaning and durability. Their clear design allows for easy visibility of contents, reducing the need for frequent searching, which is beneficial for organizing medicine, makeup, or pantry items. Product 4. Product name: Yasonic 3-Tier Rolling Cart. The Yasonic 3-Tier Rolling Cart is a versatile and durable storage solution that complements the user's interest in household kitchen appliances, DIY tools, and workspace organization. This metal utility cart features 3 mesh shelves, hanging cups, and hooks, making it ideal for organizing kitchen essentials, office supplies, or craft materials. The heavy-duty construction ensures stability and durability, while the smooth rolling wheels allow for easy mobility across different rooms. For a user interested in kitchen tools, woodworking accessories, and home improvement gadgets, this lightweight yet sturdy rolling cart can serve as an efficient storage unit for baking tools, small power tools, or gaming accessories. Its compact design makes it suitable for tight spaces like workshops, home offices, or even as a mobile workstation. Product 5. Product name: Hamator Corner Shower Caddy. The Hamator Corner Shower Caddy Tension Pole is a 4-tier rustproof bathroom organizer designed for efficient bathtub and shower shampoo storage. This adjustable floor-standing bath rack holder extends from 47 to 121 inches, making it a versatile solution for various bathroom heights. Its quick installation feature allows for hassle-free setup without drilling, ensuring a secure and stable fit. With a black rustproof finish, the Caddy offers durability and resistance to moisture, making it ideal for long-term use in humid environments. The four spacious shelves provide ample storage for shampoos, soaps, and other bath essentials, keeping them neatly organized and easily accessible. This product aligns with the user's interest in household organization and kitchen appliances, as it enhances bathroom functionality with a space-saving design. Product 6. Product name Qject X Large Shoe Storage Boxes. The Qject X Large Shoe Storage Boxes are an excellent solution for organizing shoes, sneakers, and other items in a tidy and accessible manner. This 12-pack set of clear plastic, stackable boxes provides ample space for larger footwear and other storage needs. The boxes are designed to be versatile, functioning not only as a shoe rack and holder substitute but also as organizer bins for toys, clothes, or other household items. The sleek black color adds a modern touch to any space, whether it's an entryway, closet, or underbed storage. These storage boxes help maximize space by allowing you to stack them neatly while keeping everything visible due to the clear design. Ideal for households looking for an efficient and space-saving solution, they can simplify the process of finding and storing shoes, reducing clutter and enhancing the organization of your living spaces. Product 7. Product name Trifold Memory Foam Mattress. The Trifold Memory Foam Mattress is a versatile and portable sleep solution, designed for comfort and convenience. It features a 4-inch thickness of high-quality memory foam, which adapts to the body's shape, providing optimal support and comfort. The mattress is designed to fold into 3 sections, making it easy to store and transport, ideal for travel or as a guest mat. Its 75-inch by 25-inch by 4-inch dimensions offer a generous sleeping surface, while the collapsible and washable cover ensures easy maintenance. The grey cover adds a neutral and modern touch, fitting well in various spaces. Whether used for camping, sleepovers, or as an extra bed, this mattress provides a comfortable and compact sleeping option for those in need of temporary rest accommodations. Product 8. Product name Lift Up Storage Bed. The SHA Serlin Queen Size Lift Up Storage Bed is a modern and functional furniture piece designed to provide both style and storage in your bedroom. Featuring a velvet upholstered platform frame with a luxurious white finish, it exudes elegance while ensuring durability and comfort. The bed boasts a modern wingback headboard, adding a sleek touch to any bedroom decor. One of its standout features is the hydraulic lift-up storage system, which allows you to easily access ample storage space beneath the bed, making it perfect for stashing bedding, clothing, or other items that you want to keep out of sight. No box spring is needed, making it an easy setup option for those who prefer a streamlined look and a more efficient use of space. Product 9. Product name Sicily Sponge Holder. The Sicily Sponge Holder for kitchen sink is a highly practical and versatile accessory designed to enhance kitchen organization. This sink caddy comes with a high brush holder and a soap dispenser, offering a comprehensive solution for keeping your kitchen sink area tidy. Made from rust-proof 304 stainless steel, it's built to withstand moisture and maintain its durability over time. The design is ideal for organizing sponges, brushes, soap, and other kitchen essentials, helping to keep countertops clutter-free. Whether you're washing dishes, prepping food, or cleaning, this kitchen organizer ensures convenience while adding a sleek, modern touch to your sink area. Its rust-resistant feature makes it suitable for long-term use, providing both function and style in a kitchen setting. Perfect for users looking for an effective way to manage kitchen supplies while maintaining cleanliness. Product 10. Product name Drawer Dividers. Drawer dividers, such as the 40PC's adjustable drawer organizer, are essential accessories for maintaining a clutter-free and organized living space. These dividers help sort items into specific sections, making it easier to access what you need and reducing the time spent searching through drawers. Ideal for use in various areas of the home, these dividers are perfect for organizing socks, underwear, makeup, or even small kitchen utensils. With their adjustable design, they can be customized to fit different drawer sizes, allowing you to make the most of the available space. The white finish blends seamlessly with most drawer interiors, ensuring a clean and minimalist look. Product 11. Product name Sup Easy 5 Trays Paper Organizer. The Sup Easy 5 Trays Paper Organizer is a practical and efficient desk accessory designed to help keep your workspace neat and organized. This letter tray features 5 stacked mesh trays, ideal for sorting and storing papers, documents, files, or letters. Its durable metal mesh construction ensures a sturdy and long-lasting design, while the built-in handle offers easy portability and convenient carrying from one place to another. Perfect for home, office, or school use, this paper sorter helps declutter desks and workstations, promoting better organization and workflow. Whether you're handling correspondence, assignments, or paperwork, the SUP Easy Paper Organizer helps streamline tasks and improve productivity. Product 12. Product name: ClearSpace Clear Plastic Storage Bins. ClearSpace Clear Plastic Storage Bins are versatile and essential home organization tools, ideal for tidying up various spaces like the kitchen, laundry room, office, closet, garage, and even the freezer. These storage containers are designed to offer a neat, visible solution for organizing items, making it easier to find and access stored goods. Perfect for pantry organization, they help keep dry foods, spices, and snacks in a tidy arrangement, while also being durable enough for heavier items in garages or storage closets. Their clear plastic design allows for easy visibility, so you don't have to open each bin to check its contents. This feature makes them an efficient choice for organizing everything from household essentials to office supplies, contributing to a clutter-free, well-maintained space. Whether you're looking to streamline your kitchen, organize your laundry room, or keep your garage tools in order, these bins offer a simple yet effective way to declutter and enhance organization in any room. Product 13. Product name: 2-pack hat racks for baseball caps. The 2-pack hat racks for baseball caps offer a convenient and stylish way to organize and store your baseball caps. Made from durable stainless steel, these hat holders are designed to keep your hats in pristine condition while preventing them from getting crushed or damaged. The rack can be mounted using strong adhesive or drilled into walls, making it versatile for use in various locations like doors, bedrooms, or closets. Each pack includes 2 hat racks, each measuring 6 inches, and the sleek black finish complements any room decor. This practical accessory helps maximize space while providing an organized solution for cap storage, perfect for individuals who want to keep their hats accessible yet neatly arranged. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or someone who owns several hats, this organizer is a great addition to your home or closet. Product 14. Product name: 4-tier plastic storage bins with lid. The 4-tier plastic storage bins with lid, 23QT, are versatile and practical storage solutions, perfect for organizing various spaces like living rooms, offices, dorms, and closets. These stackable containers come with wheels, making them easy to move around and store away when needed. The bins offer an efficient way to declutter by providing ample storage space while maintaining accessibility through their foldable design. Whether for everyday items, office supplies, or seasonal belongings, these bins offer a convenient and customizable storage solution. With durable plastic construction and a secure lid to keep contents safe from dust, they are an ideal choice for maximizing organization in any room. Product 15. Product name: Fab Totes 6-pack clothes storage. The Fab Totes 6-pack clothes storage is a set of foldable, thick fabric storage bags designed to help with organization and storage in spaces like bedrooms and closets. These bags are perfect for storing clothing, blankets, comforters, and other items that need to be neatly packed away. With sturdy handles for easy portability, they offer a practical solution for organizing your home while keeping everything out of sight and protected from dust. The gray color gives them a neutral, stylish look that blends seamlessly with most room decors. These storage bags are also foldable, which makes them convenient for when you're short on space or need to move them around. Ideal for people looking to declutter and organize their living areas, this set of bags provides an efficient way to manage your storage needs, especially for bulkier items. Product 16. Product name: Norkelway Pots and Pans Organizer. The Norkelway Adjustable Bakeware Pots and Pans Organizer is a versatile storage solution designed to help organize your kitchen in a neat and efficient manner. Specifically designed for under-cabinet use, it features 11 adjustable dividers that can accommodate a variety of kitchen essentials, such as cookie sheets, baking pans, and pot lids. This organizer allows for custom adjustments, ensuring a snug fit for different sizes of cookware. Ideal for those who enjoy baking or have a large collection of kitchenware, this organizer helps maximize space while keeping everything easily accessible. It's particularly useful for users looking to optimize their kitchen storage, especially when dealing with baking tools and household kitchen appliances. Given your interest in organizing and enhancing your kitchen experience, this product offers both practicality and ease of use, helping to maintain an orderly space without sacrificing convenience. Product 17. Product name: Amazon Basics Rack. The Amazon Basics 3-shelf adjustable heavy-duty steel wire rack storage shelving organizer is a versatile and sturdy solution for organizing various items in spaces like kitchens, garages, and more. Measuring 23.2-inch L x 13.4 W x 30H, this shelving unit offers ample space for storing everything from kitchen essentials to tools and household items. Its durable steel wire construction supports heavy-duty use, ensuring the rack can handle considerable weight without compromising stability. The shelves are adjustable, allowing users to customize the unit's configuration to suit their needs, whether you're organizing taller items or smaller ones. Its black finish not only provides a sleek, modern look but also resists rust, making it suitable for a wide range of environments. Ideal for maximizing storage space, this shelving organizer aligns well with users looking to declutter their homes or workspaces. Product 18. Product name: Delamu Under Sink Organizers. The Delamu Under Sink Organizers offer an efficient and versatile storage solution, particularly designed for bathrooms and kitchens. These organizers come in sets of 2, each featuring a 2-tier design that maximizes space under sinks, in cabinets, or pantry areas. With their stackable feature, they allow users to customize their setup for better organization. The set includes a pull-out medicine cabinet organizer and 8 movable dividers, making it easy to store a variety of items, from cleaning supplies to toiletries, in a neat and accessible way. Perfect for homes looking to optimize limited storage spaces, these organizers help keep everything from small bottles to bulky items separated and neatly arranged, enhancing both function and convenience in your home setup. Product 19. Product name: Airtight Food Storage Containers with Lids. Airtight food storage containers with lids, like the VTOPEPMAR 24 PC's plastic kitchen and pantry organization canisters, are a great solution for keeping your dry food and pantry items fresh and organized. These containers are designed with airtight lids to prevent air, moisture, and pests from entering, ensuring that your food stays fresh for a longer period. The set includes 24 containers, making it ideal for storing items like cereal, flour, sugar, and other dry foods. They are BPA-free, ensuring safety for food storage. Additionally, the containers come with 24 labels, making it easier to organize and identify the contents, which is particularly useful for maintaining a clutter-free pantry. The sleek black design adds a modern touch to your kitchen or pantry, offering both functionality and style for better food storage and organization. Product 20. Product name: 6-pack magnetic cable clips. The 6-pack magnetic cable clips are a practical solution for organizing and managing cables in various settings, from home offices to cars and nightstands. Designed with a smooth, adjustable feature, these clips help keep cords neatly secured, preventing tangles and damage. Each clip is equipped with a strong adhesive backing, making them easy to attach to various surfaces such as desks, walls, or desktops without causing damage. The magnetic design ensures that cables stay in place but can be easily removed when needed, making them a versatile option for a wide range of devices, including phones, chargers, and other tech accessories. Whether for home, office, or car use, these cable clips provide an efficient, clutter-free way to organize cords, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics in your space.